Holy macaroni, is it windy. At least I'm not gonna sweat. Well, seeing as this has already been compacted and all set up, I'm gonna now dig it all up so I can make sure that I get the water that comes from that way, woo, to go that way. I got you guys kind of out of the wind. So this is this is drain tile, and this is solid like downspout stuff. So a short portion of it's going to be perforated. So we'll go like that, and we'll just attach this up. This part can be drain tile, that's fine. Then we'll let it exit right there. So I want to go. Woo! This will be awesome. So I've got 6 years of compacted dirt under this, and then compacted traffic bottom. That's fun. Fun. I can't find my pickaxe anywhere. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try a little bit harder to find it. This will be no fun. This won't be fun. Tell you what, this winter has really not been kind to me. I'm out of shape. That's a double bit. So here's the trench. This natural pitch, you really can't see because this thing horizon, it all lays this way. It all runs down towards the pond. So right now the way the trench sits, I'm in good shape. So I'm gonna lay that pipe in, and we should be able to get a good pitch. And then I'll just dig this back after the concrete is gone, or after the concrete's in, and fill this with #1 wash. And I'll do the same over there, and then we'll kind of dig it out. We'll dig it out right there, kind of out a little bit, and put that gravel out there as well, #1 washed. And I think that will get the water that comes from this whole area, kind of creases in there, and creases in there, and then it comes this way. So we need something to get that water across there. This is the solid piece. So I'm gonna put the solid piece Could put some landscape fabric on here just to keep the fines from getting in here. Ow, 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 ow. I stubbed my toe on that pipe. Ouch, 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 ouch. God, that hurts. Oh, is it windy? Man. Ow, and my toe hurts. It's windy and my toe hurts. Ow, shit. Ow. And that's okay, I'm pretty steep here. Same there.
Yeah, it just looks
Just
like
right
you're
here.
going up instead of down at the end here.
Yeah, I
You
should
need
have
to
done a
dig that
little
out
deeper.
better.
Yeah. Well, what the heck? We'll dig it out a little bit.
Can't stand the wind. I gotta tell you, I think this is a good idea.
Huh?
I think this is a good idea.
Oh yeah, I think it's a good idea.
At least we have some options if we have
Well,
water issues.
It'll be conked right to there, you know.
Yeah,
So that's gonna be buried under 5 inches.
right.
I won't need a sunburn. I'll have enough windburn for it. Okay, I think we're good here. We'll drain. We checked the pitch. I remember now, this will all be concrete. This transition will be from 5 inches probably to 4 on the walkway. Okay, I think we're good to go. Good thing it's nice and windy, kept me cool. Getting closer to concrete. Stick around, we'll be pouring that soon. Oh wait. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.